What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing instead of stock market. So in this one we're going to talk about promoting affiliate offers using a very powerful method to make the offer feel more personal. Now the thing is, when it comes to affiliate marketing and promoting affiliate offers, you need to make sure that the customer or person who's trying to buy the product feels like they need this product, right? This is the right product for them. Now there's a lot of different methods, doing pre-selling, all that stuff, which we're going to talk about right now, but you can add a very simple step to your funnel to make a lot more sales and just improve the conversions overall. And this is something that we're going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about how to make $1,000 a day in affiliate marketing using this really cool and easy to actually make funnel, right? So let's go to my computer. Let me talk about this funnel step by step. I'm going to actually show you one of them in action as well, so you see it all and you see how it works. All right, guys, let's talk about making $1,000 a day. Alright guys, let me explain the strategy here. So first, you're gonna start with building a quiz. Now this is what makes this whole funnel personal. Like the idea with it is that you make it just like a solution for them, right? So again, you're gonna have a quiz here, have them answer like a bunch of questions, and then this quiz is gonna take him to an opt-in page. So you collect leads, right? So this is where you collect emails and names and stuff like that. And then from here, you're gonna send them to a pre-sale page, okay? And again, this would be a pre-sale page, again, to provide information. That's the thing. You don't want to send people directly from the opt-in page to a sales page. That would be a bit like, that would be too much, too quick. And then from here, obviously from pre-sale page, you're just gonna send people to your affiliate link to generate that sale, hopefully. And using this opt-in page, obviously you can do a lot of email marketing to send them back to your pre-sale page. That's the idea here. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and let me explain about the tools that I would use to build this. Okay, so this is actually one of them, Thrive Quiz Builder. It's a really great tool for building really cool quizzes. And the thing about this product specifically is that it's not a monthly payment or anything like that, and it installs in your WordPress site, so it's really easy, and you don't have to maintain it monthly. So I'm just gonna go to Quiz Builder and build this. And the thing with Thrive Quiz Builder is that it allows you to build all this stuff, build exactly what I explained. So you're gonna have a quiz, you're gonna have an opt-in page, which again can be done exactly here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna build one from scratch, and I'm just gonna call this okay, let's just go ahead and build that. And obviously I need a product. Okay, I'm going to use one of our varsity products, but again, you can choose any product you want. That's the idea here. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and log into my varsity affiliate account and just find a product here. Just want to find something around like maybe 50 bucks, 100 bucks, something like that. Nothing too crazy. Let's say this one, for example. Okay, so this is about blogging. So I just want to build that quiz around blogging. Now, you obviously want a pre-sale page. That's the idea. So take a look. So you want to promote a product that has a pre-sale page, or you can create a pre-sale page for it. So they provide the content that you create a pre-sale page for. So in this case, a lot of varsity products, actually, if you're in a varsity affiliate, you know that a lot of our products actually come with pre-sale pages and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about it at all. So in this case, I'm just gonna kind of promote this pre-sale page after that. So let's go ahead and build this one. Okay, so choose a quiz style, and we're just going to choose a template for it. Let's just choose this one. I'll just go with a simple one. There you go. And next, we're just going to build the quiz. Now I have a bunch of questions ready, okay, but this is the part you're going to spend some time to build it out, meaning that you gotta just kind of have that, build those questions. So I usually recommend 5 questions, 3 to 5. Some people create really long ones. That's something to do as well, because if you have a really long quiz, again, a lot of people are not going to go through it, but the people who go through it will really have that customized solution feeling. So it's very important. So I'm just gonna kind of change that here. So we're gonna add a new category. I'm just gonna build this up. Now this is something you gotta kind of learn for yourself, like this stuff that you can do, and yeah, so here you go. So now we're just gonna create our questions, and this is how you create a question. So I'm just gonna add like 3 questions. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. Multiple choice. You can add images as well if you want. So I'm just gonna say how long you've. Alright, so I just added my first question. I'm gonna add my second question. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a question here. Same thing. The second question would be, what's your income goal? Let's just finish that and give it a category. Now these categories really don't matter, but we're just gonna have them for the sake of having them. Just gonna connect this like this. And the last one, okay. Alrighty, so we're done. Now let's just save this real quick, and again, this, you can make this as complicated as you want. You can make these questions based on the answer just provide, so as you can just drag this like that. So again, you can do a lot of cool stuff with this. I'm just gonna save and exit here because we don't want to spend too much time on this. And now this is where things get interesting, because what you can do is you can actually have an opt-in gate, right? So after they fill out their question, you can actually have an opt-in gate, or you can actually have it before. It's just up to you, but I usually, well, this is, you know, usually before, after the question. So they basically opt in to see their results, right? So that's really cool. So you can really edit this. I'm not going to get into this right now, but this is, guys, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. And you can actually have a splash page in the beginning as well if you want. It's just going to add like a splash page to it. You can edit that as well. So this is how the strategy works, guys, and these are the tools. So this is a very powerful strategy. You can definitely make money with this. Now the thing about this is that this creates engagement. Alright, so this creates engagement, and that's really, really important, because if you want to actually convert a visitor to a buyer, you need to create engagement, and this is going to allow you to do that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm making videos every single day, so if you want to learn stuff like this, you should definitely subscribe. Also, if you want to learn from me directly and have a coach working with you to help you start your online business and just get the best training in the world, you should definitely check out the link in the description. That's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. This is my affiliate marketing course that's going to teach you all this stuff in detail, but more importantly, it's going to give you a dedicated coach, and also it's going to give you a powerful affiliate program that can pay you $4,000 commission. So we're talking about high ticket commissions here, so definitely check it out. It's a really great thing to be a part of and can teach you a lot of good stuff. You know, there's a lot more of this stuff that you can learn to just really promote anything you want out there and just make a ton of money. Alright guys, so definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Again, make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow.